Now, companies always ask me this question. They say, do I need to register for EIS? And whether we should register, and how do we register? Now, please mind to you, if you are already a SOCSO member, a SOCSO employer, you are automatically deemed registered. Now, deemed registered means you don't have to go for registration anymore. Same goes to an employee. You are already deemed registered. But now, if let's say you are a new company, you have one employee, then you have to get yourself registered. Now, if you don't register yourself, by law, you will be charged for 10,000 penalty, 2 years imprisonment, or both. But of course, what is the form looks like? How do we register? Whether we submit to the counter or all this, we still have to wait for the guidelines. Now, because this EIS is going to Gazette, expected on 14 December 2017. Now, once Gazette, they expect the effective date is on 2nd January, fastest is 2nd January, and latest is 15 January 2018. Now, within this period, we will expect the form to come out, and from there, if anything, we will update you accordingly. Now, most important is you must always remember to update your SQL software, because when these forms are widely available, we'll all incorporate all this form inside and you can just print it out, especially when it comes to submission and all that. Now, what is the employer obligation? Now, employer obligation, definitely registration, yes. Submission. Now, how do we submit? The guideline is not out yet, but they already tell us the method. Now, the method is based on using a Form 8A. Now, 8A, you know, is a SOCSO form. So probably they will add in another column in the SOCSO form. We have not known yet. We will expect to see in January. And most important, please take note, now, effective 1st January 2018, they will no longer issue manual Form 8A. So no more manual form. You need to print out, you need to download, and that is when our SQL payroll will shine. Now, the third thing is to remit to payment. Now, how do we make payment? You can go to over counter, you can go to iapplication.my, or you can make a bank transfer. And lastly, most importantly, is to keep all your records. Now, this is a very big confusion. Now, when is our submission due date for first submission? Expected date. Now, if you go into FAQ guidelines by the EIS, they say caruman bagi bulan Januari bolehlah dibayar kepada pegawai tidak lewat daripada 15 January. Now, it caused a lot of confusion where they say January submission, you need to pay by 15 January. Now, I would believe they make a mistake, and it should follow the SOCSO due date, which is 15 of subsequent month, 15 February 2018 for our 1st January submission.